Good morning po. Yan, Kaduray. Narito na naman. Welcome to Kaduray's vlog. Yan, ano po tayo. Ngayon, nakakain lang ng breakfast. So, we are going to stay here 3 nights. And then we will explore the lake here where we camping. So we will see. My husband is already there, and you know my life when we are walking. My husband is 100 kilometer from me. So pa tayo mag-explore. See you. Yan, ganda nyo talaga dito. Oh. Meron silang ganyan. Meron silang yung parang floating bar na may motor. And then, okay, merong sofa. Yan, merong sofa sila. Nag-relax sila doon. Ngayon, there is no so much sun. Oh, yun. Siya. Nag-relax doon. Oh, that is the boat. See, it's cool. Instead for, I don't know what kind of that, but it's with motor. Floating bar, I think. It's really cool. And that one over there. Doon sa doon kami nagka-camping. That's our camping place. That one, there. Yes, doon. Dito, ang ganda ang picture nito. Pak. Kuha ko din nga pala itong picture nito. Tika muna, mga kaduray. Yan, aking asawa. Nag-imot-imot. So, happy. Kaway. Oh, hi, my husband found this one. It's really cool. I think this is, we call that teak. Tika. And in English, I don't know. It's a pancake. Pancake in the forest. Looks like pancake. Yan, meron dyan doon may upuan. Scenery tayo. Kaduray scenery. Dapat pala scenery ang background. Background song kal. Ganito. Gayon. Pero ayos na. Kaya na lang ang mag-judge. Okay, silent. Pero it's my personal. I can be silent. Please let me be. Yun. Galing. Dito na tayo. Ay, galing naman. Yan, meron dito. Ganda rito ang site. And looking for the Google. Where are we going? Oh, Palo scenery. Kami tigigisang water like this. My husband got blue and I got orange. Hey, mister! Pag lumingon ka, susulot kita sa sako. Susulot sako. Oh, my husband is picking some blueberry. This one is blueberry as well. Until doon. Let's see what he found. Blueberry. Good. Oh, mushroom. Very sour. But good. Afterwards. Okay. Nakikita ko aking asawa nasa tabi ng siya. Kunwari ako tatakotin niya, pero ako hindi matatakot. Kunwari.
Hindi mo beskis.
I saw you, my dear.
Oo.
Kaya 2 glass eh. Or dogs thing, I don't. When they're open, they what's
Mine looked the 36
Sure. Bili tayo ng ice cream. Nakalagay. Ayun doon mga nag-swimming doon. Pero madaming bata. So we're going here. May restaurant.
Nej.
Restaurant. Hair Goods restaurant. Ay, där
Bara i kafé.
borta.
Till och med utanför området. Och så går man resten av
Så vi restaurang där
skylten.
eller?
Nej, men det var en skylt på kartan som visar till och med utanför området. Så det är långt.
Jaha. Mm. Ito this camping is quite quite big. The toilet,
Huset utan skylt.
house, cottage. I think this place is smaller than the first one we made our first. Yeah. Oh no. Really nice camping. Come in. Yeah, this is the toilet. Oh, wildflowers. The Kadura is well. Here you go. Shower and toilet. Yeah. Then rin kami ng aking husband. Ngayon, sa camping na ito, mayroong fishing place. Meron silang fishing place dito. Mga turista, nagpipishing sila. Ang galing, tapos may grill. Ano kayo mahuhuli dun? There also fishing. Ano kayo mahuhuli dun? Doon sa abor eh. Tawag doon yung parang tilapia. Parang tilapia Oh, really nice place to fish. Peaceful. Are you gonna fish, hubby? Fishing. Are you gonna fishing? Do you want tulingan?
Tungilingan.
Tulingan, papakol. Yan. Ito po ang aming dinner. Ito yung aming kusina. Our kusina. And then, that is our dinner. So, meron na kaldero. And noodles with
Meat sauce.
meat sauce. So,
Very exclusive.
bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon
Salut.
appetit. Bon appetit. So, mga kaduray, another day in paradise. We're going up to the hill and we're going to see the health, what you call it, health stairs. Health stairs, they call that. And then that is for 300 steps. We will see if we can do it. So, come with us. Neng! Si Kaduray may dalang tungkod. Matanda na. Pakakakakakak. So, look at the forest. Very, very scenery. So, it's good day today. Every day is good day. Following into and wala na. We have just eaten our brunch, breakfast. Yeah, we call that. But today, we're going to that steps. We never been in that steps. And I think, Habi, do you think you can do it?
No,
Haha.
I think I will die halfway.
Oh, look. Died. Oh my God. It's
It snake.
dead. Oh, we put it aside because
He is not dead.
no, we put it outside so that they can't. They will not trample. So, thank you.
No more, Mr. Snake.
Thank you. Yan. So, sa iyo mamaya. Sa iyo po mamaya doon. In the steps. Thank you. So, tayo na po. Tinanong ko doon sa nag-golf. Kung dito ang daan nga. Dito daw. Yan, yung golf. That is golf area. All people and a mix. Ayan. That is the sign. Hälsotrappan. In Swedish, hälsotrappan. And in English, healthy steps. Let's go. We will see what we can do. Oh, swamp. Sari-sari na. Oh, ang guyam. Ants. So, it's right side. Oh. We look. And there's not only healthy steps, there is also a nice view according to the people. So let's go and explore. Kadura explore. You know, Susie, I have stick. It means I am. I am the explorer. Oh. Kaliwa, kanan, diretso. So, see you there. See you there, mga kaduray. That's it. That one is the stairs. So, I can go, my husband. Do you think? I will go myself. So, punta ako. I will go by myself. Ah, you go?
Följa med.
Okay, can do that. Can you go 300?
Jag får gå så länge jag orkar.
Yeah. Sige. So, we'll go na. Punta natin. We'll see if I can do it. I think I can do it. It's only 300. Oh, very strong. Kadura is very strong. Oh, somebody forgot his water. Oh, it's nice chair. So 317 steps and
20 rest place.
20
No, 20
below.
like that, small stuff.
Yeah, and 3 below plan.
Rest places. It's 70 meters high, and there are
25.
25,000 screws holding it together.
Yes, yeah. Let's see.
And every step is
Yun daw.
numbered, and there are sponsors.
Oh, sponsor every single steps. So, let's go, Kaduray. Let's go na. I will go now. Ahead. Yeah, I will go behind. I will go first. Oh, 317 steps daw ito, Kaduray. Sabi ko sa aking asawa, pag hindi niya kaya, doon muna siya. I think, so I can walk by myself. Bilo-bila här. Så kan jag kan ta den med mig. So, let's go. Kadure Pandango. Kadure Pandango. Tingnan natin. Itong steps na ito. 317. Tawag daw. Ay, maganda itong sa sa exercise. tulad na sa tabi, sa likod ko. Merong babaeng nagtumakbo pa paro. Hingal eh. Lawit ang dila ni ka duray. So, oy, ay, ay. 100, 200 more. Oh my. Oh my, my. So, so, yan, gandang picture dito. Okay, naunahan ako. Yan oh, kung ano yung mag-rest. This is the, so, let's go. Again, aba, yung asawa ko, inaaraw na uli. Ay, sus. Sigado rin patigil-tigil at naman nyo man. Catching my breath. Catching my breath. Oh, dumali. Nakatatlo na rin si ate. Ang galing niya. Oh. Ang galing niya. Kaya hingal din. Aba, ano ka? Sige, hingal. Nakatatlo. Tatlong pababa pa. Yung aking husband. She is very happy. Happy. Happy siya. Oh, dini. Meron pa rin pahinga din muna daw. Tapos makikita pala din eh. Yan, pwede nitong kumain, mag-picnic. Ang galing ng kanilang yun ang mga tao. Uy, ito ang view. This is this view. The healthy stairs. Really cool. Hindi ko alam kung gaano, how many months to build these stairs. I don't know, months or days or weeks. I don't know. Maybe it says in the what you call that, sa chart board. I didn't read na. So here we go. Stairs to the top. 317 stairs. Oh, askaduray. Hal. Oh. Last step. Yeah. Yun. Dali. Ay, naku po. Diyos ko. Ay, tayo daw. Ay na. 310, not 317. Yeah. Yung si kuya, si mamay, ay umupo na dahil hindi na makapagsalita. Tinatanong ng aking asawa kung saan akong may daan papaparoon. Eh hindi na nakapagsalita at dahil nga naman, hingal yun. Kaya ayun, tinuro na lang sa kamay. Kaway na lamang. I understand.